In this video, I will show you how you can become Xero certified advisor. So to become a Xero certified advisor, you need to follow this step. First is create a Xero account. So if your employers use Xero, you can register through their account. If not, you can sign up for the Xero for 30-day trial. So just search for Xero and then open up the Xero website. And then you need to click on this try Xero for free, and then you will be able to start your 30-day free trial by filling up these details and then clicking on this confirmation button. Once you have created your Xero account, you need to access the Xero Central. So just again go to the Google and then you need to search Xero Central and then open up this first website. Then you need to log in your account with the Xero account credentials. Then on the screen you have to click on this learning option from the top of bar. After that you have to click on this Xero certificates. Then on the screen you will be able to see many Xero certificates that you can get. So from here you have to click on this Xero advisor certificate. Now you need to choose your certificate option. If you want to get self-paced or with the webinar or the private webinar, choose your option, preferred option. And after that, engage with the online courses at your own pace. You can also attend live webinar or fast track session if preferred. After training, pass the online assessment to earn your certificate. So that is how you can become the Xero certified advisor. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.